So this box right here is the first set of the first edition of Meritor's workbooks. Really excited to see what's inside, so let's do the unboxing. On opening the box, we can see that a lot of components are present here. These are the 3 highlighters which are given in different colors, and there are also bookmarks present which look really cool by the way, and they have a motivational quote on them too. Coming to the first workbook, which is for the subject periodontology, and I really like the spiral binding. It looks pretty sturdy even for a thick workbook like this, and seeing that all the pages are colored and of high quality, and also everything is divided topic wise, which you can see in the index here. Coming to the next workbook, which is for the subject dental anatomy, and just a quick flip through, here you can see that a lot of content is given here. You can see that these workbooks are very student friendly and well organized. Now coming to the third workbook, which is for the subject dental histology, and since all these 3 subjects are correlated with each other, so it definitely makes it a perfect package. So I have gone through all the 3 workbooks, and one doubt that must be there in your mind is, why is it called workbook and not notes? Like, what is the difference? You all know that the best method for making notes is to write it down in your own handwriting. However, it is very time consuming, and at the same time, just passively reading printed notes doesn't prove to be very effective. So keeping in mind both the things, the Meritors have come up with a solution, that is the concept of workbooks, where you get the best of both worlds. So instead of just plain text, their workbooks have flowchart, diagrams, tables, where you can write all the important points and label the diagrams in your own handwriting. Wondering how that works? So let's dive deep into it. So opening the first workbook, that is for the subject of periodontics, you can see that a lot of tables and fill in the blanks are provided here. So if I want answers and references to it, I just have to open the app and go to the Byte section. From there, I just have to go to the camera icon, and from there I can just scan the QR code and I'll get all the references in one place. And I don't have to look for anything anywhere else, which makes things really easy. And here you can see that I can actually label diagrams and fill in tables and flowcharts, everything in my own handwriting, which helps me in saving so much time. At the end of each workbook, there are super important MCQs given, and if I want to check the answer, I can just scan the QR code in front of each MCQ, and from there I can get to the right answer, and I can also see the explanations as well as the key concept of that MCQ. We can also color code our notes using highlighters, where green is used for important terminologies, yellow is used for important concepts, and pink is for numerical values. Now I'm sure you must have understood how Meritor's workbooks can be a total game changer for you. This method of making notes saves a lot of time, which makes revisions easier and helps in better retention of knowledge. The best part is that you can just scan a QR code which is available for every topic and MCQ. And from there, you can access not only that particular topic, but also many other topics related to it. And that is the key to clearing your concepts and correlating your knowledge. The workbooks have been designed in a way that there is sufficient space to add your own notes, so that you are sure that you have covered all the important aspects in your notes without any doubts. The workbook feature is available in the app now, and go check out the samples from the link given.